Say something. Start the vlog.
Banana.
Brandon?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Banana.
Who's Brandon? Boom! We got
Hey.
Brandon. Brick by brick, bands of Brandon in the
That's
house.
right. Yep.
How's it going, man?
Going good.
It's going
Rigel's
good.
keeping me in check.
Rigel's keeping you in check.
I've already gotten in better standing with him since I have been transitioned from Guy into my actual name, Brandon. So
Well, everybody's got to transition to something, I guess, you know. Where are we headed?
I don't even know. We're gonna go get a coffee, and there's a little clothesline fair here in Prairie Grove, so we are gonna maybe potentially walk around there and just have a good, nice, fun day.
Coffee first. Diesel's getting big. All right, y'all. We are at the Prairie Grove Clothesline Festival, which is like an annual fair thing going on here in Prairie Grove. I'm not going to bring the camera with us, but I'm going to take my phone and get some clips. We'll see what we can see. Maybe some crafts, maybe some local artists, not really sure. But we're going to just enjoy some time together right now. So, yeah, buddy.
Are you excited? Rigel! Soaking wet.
All right, y'all. We just got back home. We did the Clothesline Festival. We got caught in a thunderstorm. I went for a little jaunt, little 1 mile trail run on the way back. And now we're all gonna get some dry clothes and relax a little bit before we get hit by another thunderstorm. So that's the plan thus far. What's up, babe?
What's up?
What I just get done doing?
Grilling us some food.
What we got here?
We got some drumsticks, beautiful drumsticks. We got some jalapeno papas. We got some stuffed mushrooms.
Ooh, doggies. I'm going a little bit over my macros this weekend.
Me too.
Yeah, buddy. What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and Crystal is a punk. I want that to be known. We are back. It is Sunday. We just got back from church. We're about to work out, and Crystal said that she can climb this rope. So we're going to document that on camera right now.
Wait.
Crystal, show us what you got.
I don't have any shoes.
Wait.
You don't need shoes.
Yes, I do.
Wait.
Show me what you got, babe.
I'm not doing that right now.
Can you climb the rope, Brandon?
oh, try to do it. We'll see.
Here we go.
I'll take my ring off.
Brandon's 7 inches taller than me, so he's got a 7-inch head start.
Should I do it from the seated position?
No,
No.
that's too hardcore.
Too hard.
Oh, he's going legless too. There you go. Look at that.
All right, that's the workout.
The whitest monkey you've ever seen.
Brandon got up there faster.
He was faster. You chalk for that, man. My hands are all
Oh, I
sweaty.
know.
You want to make fun of him somehow? You want to call him some sort of like gorilla? You gonna show me how? Good job. Can you show me how you breathe so good? Wow, buddy. Woo! Just throw him. you strong? Can you show me your muscles? Good job.
Audio adrenaline? Big house?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Rigel's weight. Rigel's weight. You wanna lift it? Come on, show us what you got. Show us what you got.
Go for it.
Pick it up. Do a curl.
You can do it.
There you go. Keto brick in one mouth. Helmet on the head. 3-pound dumbbells in the hands. I like it. Fist bump. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, y'all. We just got done working out. Rigel was the star of the show. Now he's eating a brick. Brandon's yoked. Crystal.
Something nice. He's been mean to me all day.
I have not. She's a sweetheart. That's a wrap for the workouts. We're gonna go home. We're gonna cook some food. We're gonna cook chicken for the whole week for the crew. So we'll see you at the hacienda.
Oh, that's not right.
Oh boy.
This is not working.
Show the video of us both.
How?
You writing on the wall too?
Truck.
Truck. Yeah. You should do like a little outline of Robert's or Rigel's hand on the wall.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. There we go.
Beautiful. All right, y'all. We are wrapping up the vlog. Brandon left this morning. I woke up at 4, took him to the airport. He is on his way to Virginia, but great time seeing him. We saw him and his family during my competition season. We drove through his place in Virginia, then on our way to the Boston or New York show. Mm-hmm. But it's been since we've seen him, so it was awesome having him fly in, spend the weekend together, catch up.
It's almost
good
been
times.
a year since then.
Yeah, almost been a year. He's got 6 kids. They just had another kid. That's crazy. I feel like we're running amok with just one kiddo, and he's got 6. So always cool to just have him in, catch up, pick his brain as to how he manages 6 kids, and just hear some crazy cop stories. So that's what we did. You got anything to add, Baby Dom?
Not really. Just really enjoyable to have someone here. Someone who also understands kids. I explained this to him a couple times. I'm like, it's hard to have a conversation when you have a toddler running around, but he gets kids. And like, I was actually able to finish conversations with him because he understood how to like keep a conversation going while a toddler is wanting for your attention and like also trying to give them attention. It was great because most people kind of just like shut off the conversation, and as a mom you almost feel like shut out a little bit, but that was not a thing. And I had a great conversation. I felt like very fulfilled in my like need for social, so like to be able to talk with people.
Besides Rigel.
Besides Rigel, yeah.
In one word increments. But that's a wrap. Appreciate you coming in, Brandon. Appreciate the family for letting you come in, Brandon.
Yes.
Jackie, you're awesome. The kids are all awesome. So much love to y'all. We're going to try and we got a whole bunch of footage coming up this next weekend. We're doing some homesteading stuff, slaughtering some lambs, all that good stuff. So we'll make a vlog out of that. Forgive us for not being on point with the vlogs, but we're going to try and up the ante with them. So appreciate y'all. We'll see you next time.